Hi Muffins! Welcome to my kitchen and thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be sharing my recipe for the most delicious Swiss meringue buttercream frosting. What makes this buttercream different from traditional American buttercream is that it's made using egg whites. The egg whites give it a silky smooth consistency that pipes like a dream. So if you want to learn how to make the most delicious Swiss meringue buttercream frosting, then please stay tuned.
You will need 7 large egg whites at room temperature, 2 cups of white sugar, 3 sticks of unsalted softened butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Bring about an inch of water to a steady simmer and place a glass bowl on top. Your bowl should be large enough to sit on your pot and block any steam from escaping. Next, add your egg whites and your sugar to the bowl and whisk for 3 to 5 minutes. Continue whisking until your sugar has fully dissolved and the mixture is no longer grainy to the touch. Now you'll want to add your mixture to the bowl of a stand mixer and mix on medium speed for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll be ready for the next step when your mixture is white and starts to form stiff peaks. With your mixer on medium speed, add in your butter 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time, mixing for about 10 to 15 seconds after each addition. Once your butter is well incorporated, add in your vanilla extract and continue to mix for 3 to 5 minutes. Scrape down the bottom and sides of your bowl and give it one last good mix. And this is what you should be left with: light and silky smooth Swiss meringue buttercream frosting. A great topping for your cakes and cupcakes.
That's it! That's how to make the most delicious Swiss meringue buttercream frosting. As always, the full list of ingredients can be found down in the description box, and the step-by-step instructions are over on the blog at karrahgermain.com. Please try it out and let me know what you think. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so I know you watched. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tutorials. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching. And as always, stay sweet.